Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a different blockchain altogether and exactly how to stake its native token. So as always, let's get straight to it. Now the question is, what blockchain am I referring to? It's a blockchain that we haven't talked about on the channel before, and it's called the Secret Network. Now why do I find the Secret Network interesting? Well, I think it encompasses the power of three other blockchains in one. Ethereum with smart contracts, Monero and its privacy, and Cosmos with its scalability. Now, if you're not aware, Secret is part of what's known as the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, and essentially that allows all these different ecosystems, or all these other blockchains essentially, to communicate with one another. And I think this is really powerful for the future of DeFi. And one of my favorite protocols, or one of my favorite blockchains, Terra, is also part of this. And that's how I essentially discovered Secret. Now, Secret, if we have a look on CoinMarketCap, it is not one of the highest ranked coins or one of the highest ranked tokens at all. Secret, is the native token for the Secret Network, as you can imagine. We've got a market cap of around 1 billion. Now, on this channel, I'm not really focusing too much on price, and I don't have a clue if this is going to go up or down in the future at all. I just think the technology is interesting. So today we're talking about staking, and we're going to go with a step-by-step guide on exactly how to stake your Secret tokens. And I'll talk you through some of the rewards that you can get, because on this channel, one thing that we do like is passive income. So where can you buy Secret from? Well, if you're from Europe or not from America, essentially, you can use Binance. That's where you're going to find it very, very easy to purchase yourself some Secret tokens. Otherwise, you've got some of these other exchanges which are less well known, but you can still use them. If you're into DeFi, then you've got platforms like Osmosis, where you can buy yourself some Secret tokens there. Sienna Swap, which is one of the dexes on Secret as well. And you've got pairs like Secret Luna, Secret USDC, Secret UST, essentially. So have a look, see which one you prefer, and get yourself some Secret here. And you can find that generally the prices are pretty similar across them all. So once you've got yourself some Secret, what do you do? Where are you going to send it to? And what we all need is a Kepler Wallet. This is a wallet just like MetaMask or TerraStation. Get yourself a Kepler Wallet. It is the main wallet for the Cosmos ecosystem. You can have your Cosmos on here, your Osmosis, your Secret Network, all these other, they have them all here. All these other kind of networks, you've got all these other IBC networks, and you can kind of use them all with Kepler. So get yourself a Kepler Wallet. It is free, it's just a Chrome extension, and once you've got one of them, you'll be able to see it over here. Now if I click on my Kepler Wallet, it might take me to my Secret Network automatically, and if you click on the top here, you'll be able to see just what I mentioned, all these other networks. So you've got Cosmos, Osmosis, Secret, essentially all these other networks. And what we want to do is we want to talk about staking. So before I do that, what is staking? I'm sure most of you watching are aware already, but if you're not aware, I have got a video somewhere on the channel. I'll leave a link somewhere on the top or in the description below about what is staking and essentially proof of stake as a concept. But if you want a quick summary, staking is essentially a method for users like you and I to utilize our tokens to help with security by validating the network, by helping with validating transactions and new blocks getting added to the network. Now, in the video, I go into more detail about how it works exactly, but essentially, in a nutshell, it is a consensus algorithm for a lot of different blockchains. You've got blockchains like Ethereum now moving to proof of stake, and Secret also utilizes this proof of stake algorithm or consensus mechanism, Now, how do you actually stake your Secret tokens? Well, you need to get them in your wallet first. So let's go back to Secret, and you'll have your address over here. So what you need to do is you need to copy your address, and you can send that, put that in your Binance or wherever you kind of bought your tokens from, get them over there. If you've used a decentralized exchange, then you may be able to use a bridge, but we'll cover that in another video. Once you've got your tokens in your wallet, and that shouldn't take you too long at all, you will be able to scroll down and you'll be able to see this thing here called stake. And you can see here that you can earn around 25% a year. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. And that's completely passive income. You've got no impermanent loss there. And you're helping to secure the network. So how do we get started with this? Well, we need to click stake. and it's going to open up this dashboard where you'll be able to see all these different validators. And there's a lot of information going on here, so I'm going to break it down and just kind of explain to you what's going on here. So with Kepler, as I mentioned, you've got all these other networks, and you can kind of stake any of the tokens for these other networks on this platform as well. Today, as you can imagine, we're focusing on secret. So let's have a look. So first of all, we've got active validators and inactive validators. And we're going to first of all look at what active validators are available. So we can see them all in order of rank, and they're ranked by voting power, essentially how many secret tokens are delegated to these validators. The ones that have more delegation are going to be at the top, whereas the ones right at the bottom are going to have significantly less secret tokens delegated to them. Now, in my opinion, I think decentralization is really important, and in order to promote decentralization, I think it's good to not just pick the top one, but also go to some of the lower ranked ones and allocate your secret tokens there. Decentralization is really important for blockchain. For blockchains, I think it's really important for what crypto really stands for. So, you know, I personally don't delegate even in any of my other wallets. I don't delegate to any of the top ones because I like to try and help with decentralization and help some of these smaller validators out by allocating my secret tokens to them. Now, on the side of this, we've also got commission, and commission essentially means how much of the profit are they taking for themselves. So, you know, of the profit, Citadel are taking 5%. So that means you're still making 95%. Some of them, most of them are between 5 and 10%. You know, occasionally you will get one that is more, and occasionally you will get one that is less. So you can see that this one, 0% fees. I mean, that's pretty nice. That's nice. You know, the less commission, the more you make essentially. But I don't think all commission is bad. You know, I understand that these validators are doing a very good job with helping to secure the network. So I think finding a good balance is always good. But generally, yeah, the closer to zero, the better. Now, should you just pick one validator? No, I think again with decentralization, you want to pick quite a few different validators, but also for another reason, and that is because if your validator isn't doing their job properly, then you aren't going to get any rewards. And if we go to the inactive validators, we're able to see a bunch of validators here. Some of these are jailed, essentially no rewards coming from these validators. And yeah, you want to spread your rewards, or you want to spread your tokens, against a variety of validators, so that, you know, if one of your validators does end up, you know, validating wrong nodes or wrong blocks, then, you know, you're okay. Now, if this does happen, you don't need to stress, you don't need to worry, your tokens aren't lost or gone. Essentially, all you need to do is just redelegate to another validator. And that shouldn't be too difficult. And I'll show you how to do that as well. So how do we actually stake? Well, once you've got some secret tokens in your wallet, and you can see here I've got 18 secret tokens in this wallet, well, you need to pick a validator. For today's purpose, we're going to pick Secret Keeper. And how do you do that? All you need to do is you need to click on Manage, and this pop-up will come out here. And you'll be able to see some information. You'll be able to click on this, and it should take you to the Telegram for this particular validator, and you're able to see some information regarding their Twitter and descriptions and things like that. So Secret Keeper, they take 5%. So what we're going to do is we're going to delegate some of our secret tokens to this validator. How do we do it? Well, there's two buttons here, Delegate, Undelegate. It's pretty straightforward. We click Delegate, and we're just going to enter, you know, however many tokens. Let's just delegate. Yeah, let's delegate 5 tokens here. Now, you will see this message on your screen. Staking tokens will lock your funds for 21 days. Now, essentially what that means is that, let's say once I've delegated this 5 secret tokens to Secret Keeper, well, if I want to get those 5 secret back, I mean, in theory, I still own them, but in order to unlock them, in order for those stake tokens to become liquid again, you have to wait 21 days. And during those 21 days, you're not going to be earning any staking rewards either. So I think staking is definitely not something that you do in the short term. It's more of a long-term thing. So just bear that in mind. Now, what do we do after that? All we need to do is click Delegate, and your Kepler wallet is going to open up. And when it opens up, what we are going to see is this. We can see that we're delegating 5 secret to this validator, and we have very cheap gas fees on secret, which is awesome. We all love cheap gas fees. I think most of us are sick of Ethereum. So yeah, you know, this is costing me 6 cents. So all I'm going to do is hit approve. I'm going to go back here, and you know, you can see it's doing its thing. And within just a few seconds, there you go. We've just lost 5 of our secret tokens, but we haven't actually lost them. They are now earning us a nice 25% a year. And we can see on the top here that we've got our secret tokens staked, and some pending rewards will be coming for us very soon. Okay, that is essentially how to stake. Now, if you want to undelegate, you just click undelegate. You know, you enter however much you want to undelegate, and you know, pay the gas fee, and after 21 days they will appear back in your balance again. So that's pretty straightforward. Now, if you want to redelegate, you don't have to wait 21 days. You can just essentially let's have a look. Let's see if we can see it here. Can we see? There is an interface somewhere here. Ah, okay, here you go. So look, we're trying to undelegate here, but look what it says here. Trying to switch validators? Use the redelegate feature to instantly stake your assets with another validator. And so if you want to swap your validators for another one, don't undelegate, you can just redelegate. And that is pretty straightforward to do as well. So you don't want to wait 21 days. Yeah, waiting 21 days, you're not earning any staking rewards. You just want to redelegate instead. So yeah, you know, you can just click around, see which ones you like, you know, go check some of their Twitter pages out, join their Discord groups or their Telegram groups, interact with people. You're going to learn a lot about Secret. You know, look at these guys. Secret Source, 100% focused on the secret network. You know, these guys are really focused on teaching, education, getting more information out there. I think generally most validators are really nice. Secret Keeper, very, very helpful. This Telegram group is pretty awesome. So yeah, just go learn, stake, earn some passive income. Happy days. If you want to stake any of your other assets like Cosmos or Osmosis or any of the other native tokens for these blockchains, you can do so very easily here as well. That's essentially it. How do you claim your staking rewards? Well, if you go to your Kepler wallet, you'll be able to see your pending rewards all here. You can see that currently my pending rewards are 0.04177 secret tokens, and all I have to do is click claim. Again, I'm going to have to pay a small gas fee of, you know, around 6 cents or something really tiny. So, you know, I'll just let this accumulate, and you know, whenever I want to claim it, I can claim it, restake it. Happy days. So that is essentially how to stake your secret tokens. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you want me to cover any other videos. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, I'll be back with another video soon.